We outside. We're on the way to the Maracas Waterfall. Yeah, boy. We walking 30 seconds now. We born. But I born. Yeah. Apparently we now start the walk, and my legs don't feeling like spaghetti. So we will see. If anybody tell you that this easy, they lie. If you're fit probably, but I'm not fit, as you can see. At least we have seen no snake though. Fingers crossed. So we're here in water. There, up there. But that is not it. That is not it. We have more to go. We're almost there. So take a look at that. It was the hike. But we reached where we had to wait. I'm sitting right there.